Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. Hope you guys have a great day today. Today's message is to snack healthy. So what I mean is, hey, it's not a bad thing to have chips or something like you really like once in a while. But I want you to try this at least one time today when you're going to that snack little stash or cupboard, whatever you guys have at your house. When you go to reach for that, think twice, go to the fridge, and try maybe a fruit or vegetable. Or if you keep your fruit out somewhere, grab a piece of fruit from out there. So one of those times, just one of those times at least, grab something a little bit better for you. Carrot sticks, banana, apples, even apples with peanut butter or something yummy like that. You can mix in your fruit or veggie for the day. Your body likes that. You put good fuel in your body runs better. All right, weird but true too. Chewing gum can make your heart beat faster. A 158-year-old holiday card was auctioned off in the UK, United Kingdom, Great Britain, England, for nearly £22,250, which is about $35,000 American, in 2001. The surface of the Atlantic Ocean is saltier than the surface of the Pacific Ocean. Surface. The 50 tallest mountains in the world are all in Asia. All right, so the first extra credit question is going to go with the mountain question. So let's say those 50 tallest mountains, they're in Asia, which is true. Let's say in the world, there are 9,842 mountains total. So after we subtract these 50 mountains that are in Asia, how many mountains would be left if there were 9,842 mountains total in the world? All right. So as a review of what's due or what we're working on today, maybe this week, some of you have already done it, which is excellent. If you find that you want to make another survey, if you've already done one, make another set of graphs, by all means do that. That'd be great. It's a great way to practice your graphing skills and your data collection. It's kind of fun. Take surveys of 10 or more people, send some emails or make some phone calls. Try to get at least 10. That way your graph looks good. You don't want those little mini graphs. They're hard to see and they don't look as good. All right, so we're going to do bar graphing. Again, bar graphing has those bars, like this one. Okay, they can go vertical like this, or they can be turned. Your numbers can also go across the bottom, and the bars can go horizontally. Okay. Pictograph is a graph that shows how many, using pictures. Like if you did ice cream flavors, you would show like ice cream cones in the pictures instead of these circles. Okay, very important for the pictograph is the key. You show what symbol you're using or what picture. If it was the ice cream cone idea, it would be an ice cream cone here equals, and then how many votes that would equal. A lot of times they equal 1 if there's not a lot of people, but sometimes you survey hundreds of people or thousands of people, and so one of those circles might equal like 100 if you have surveyed hundreds of people. Okay. And extra credit question number 2 is find the perimeter of a different book than you found the area of yesterday. Okay. So if you measured Charlotte's Web, for example, and you did the area for that one, then find a different book today. Maybe you have a weird but true book as well. You measure all the way around. So perimeter is all the way around. So if this board is, let's say, 10 inches on this side and 15 on here, it's not area. You're not going to do 10 times 15. It would be 10 plus 15 plus 10 plus 15. Okay, so perimeter is the distance all the way around a space. Okay? All the way around. So you have to add all those numbers together, not multiply. Okay. All right, so perimeter is the extra credit question. Your assignment for the week, take a survey, collect the data for your question, favorite ice cream flavors, favorite sports, favorite outdoor activity, favorite junk food, things like that, favorite healthy snack, things like that. All right. Another item from my memory box or artifact is an old harmonica. Okay. This was my great-grandfather's, so it's pretty old. It's an M. Honors auto valve harp, or as we like to call them, harmonica. Look at the numbers. There's numbers on them. Those are the keys you can play in. You breathe in and out. Makes different sound depending where you are letting the air enter or exit, and if you're breathing in or out. Okay, so harmonica. Pretty sweet. All right. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk tomorrow.